Here he goes with his friggin' again. That's what he's doing. It's spasm. His brain is going into shock. Somebody call the ambulance. What? Yo, every time you do this, Abra, I can't break down everything what you say, brother. But it sound damn good. It sound good. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are reacting to Miss LaFamilia featuring Abra Cadabra, Dumb Flex. You know, say anything Abra touch me, I feel react, right? Anything Abra touch me, I feel react. Once me have health, I feel react. Abra is just a bad artist, and Abra just goes cuckoo when he just spaz. His brain just starts spazzing, you know. So me have to react to Abra. Chat them. Big up the whole OFB gang. Big up on yourself. Me GG's. Big up Miss LaFamilia. First, me react to one of your song them. So let's just jump straight tonight, guys. And also, let me put on my social media up at the top. Here we go. Boom! Yeah, I like doing that. Boom! Yeah. All right, let's go. Can somebody give me the sorry? Can somebody give me the lowdown on this girl? Like, if she have more tracks out and thing that is worth reacting to. Also, never react to her before, so give me the lowdown. All right.
Pass it down, yeah, hey. Pass me the liquors, I'm taking my free shot before it goes down.
Pass me the liquor, I'm taking my tree shot before it goes down. Yeah. Yeah, look good enough. Yeah, look good. She look good. She look good. Yeah, that means she look good. Yes, you deaf? Yeah.
I'm cool with the Hennessy, you ain't a friend of me. Best in my section, I'm coming around. Lights, blinding. Shout out my rider, she holding it down. If I'm a
I just heard a flow like Abra. Lights, blinding. That's the thing that Abra does. That's the shit that Abra does. So I just hear it in this song, and to hear her incorporated it.
What the hell did you just say?
Incorporated it.
Oh no!
Incorporating it in her sound. It sounds good. It sounds good, baby. It sounds good. Big up yourself, baby girl. Let's go.
phone call is gonna get vocal. These hitters be silent when they in the town. Don't try it. Dogs and bitches, they barking that round. If I'm
Abra do it, and Pop Smoke do it as well when Pop Smoke was alive. Big up yourself, Pop Smoke. R.I.P. Michi. Let's go again, dog. Let's
in the
go.
building, they're shutting it down. These bitches, they ram me, they stay all the while. You are on my body, they loving my style. I'm in love with Mueller, I'm getting that pound. Chanel on my body, they feeling my style. Stars in my love.
She hot, you know. And she a spit, you know. She a spit bars, you know, dog. And a joke, you know. Who is she? Miss LaFamilia. Who are you? The first man who are you?
Pass me the cognac. When we step in the party, can't see me in Versace shades. Looking all naughty, eh.
When we step in the party, you see me in the Versace shades looking naughty. Okay.
Shorty. Once we step in the party, won't see me in my Cartier. I'm on a dumb flex.
She's on a dumb flex. Like, can someone explain to me what a dumb flex in a party would be? Explain to me what a dumb flex in a party would be. What is a dumb flex in a party? Like what she's describing here. Explain to me, guys.
Pass me the cognac. When we step in the party, can't see me in Versace shades. Looking all naughty, VIP shorty.
Okay. So Mr. Heady one beside Abra. Let me take a sip. Got them on them out. Let's go. Ready? Boom! Start again, Abra.
Once we step in the party, won't see me in my Cartier.
Bad man stepped in the room, move it. Sure. Swags on 100, they like when I do this. No.
Bad man stepped in the room. What? Move it. Yo, the man flow just different, dog. I can't stop talking about Abra flow, brother. And him voice is just so unique, brother. Like, different.
Plus I keep some bad men around me that like to shoot like Cupid.
Man say me have some bad man around me like to shoot like Cupid. You know Cupid arrow. There's some bad man around me like to shoot like Cupid. So don't ramp, don't run in, don't touch the liquor up on the table. You didn't put in on this, man. Back away, back away. You didn't put in on this. Back up. Here we get shoot like Cupid. I want to hear you.
Little bro is a loose screw. Screw loose like season. Yeah.
Ah, oh, school look like
Cupid. Little bro is a loose screw. Screw loose like season. Yeah.
Little bro is a little bro. As a screw look. What him say? Sorry. I'm
like
sorry.
To shoot like Cupid. Little bro is a loose screw. Screw loose like Susan. Yeah.
Rich Susan him attack. Rich Susan is he talking about? Rich Susan. Little bro is a loose screw. Screw loose like Susan. Who is Susan? I want to know who is Susan. Because I want to know how loose is Susan's screws. Because I want to tighten them back up. Who is Susan?
Trigger finger happy. Reach my chamber. You must be clean as well.
Batty man, you idiot. Sorry for the bad word. You have a muckle full. Reach for over chain. You're clueless. You don't have no sense. You lick your head gathering shit in pain. You don't have no sense. You smoke rum. You drink weed. What is wrong with you? Reach for over chain.
Screw loose like Susan. Yeah. Trigger finger happy, reach my chamber, you must be clean as well. If I grab this bricky and me silly with it, that's a couple man digging in it.
If I grab this bricky, I'm gonna think with it, digging it. Here he goes with his fucked up ways again. Abra, my youth, here you go again.
Chamber, you must be clean as well. If I grab this bricky and me silly with it, that's a couple man digging in it. They don't want this smoke, so I'm chilling in it. This me, I grab that, fill it up and fill him with it.
Them don't want this smoke, so I'm chilling in it. Them don't want it, so I might as well just chill, because I'm bored, but I have nothing to do. Here he goes with his friggin' again. That's what he's doing. It's spasm. His brain is going into shock. Somebody call the ambulance. What? Yo, every time you do this, Abra, I can't break down everything what you say, brother. But it sound damn good. It sound good.
Silly with it, that's a couple man digging in it. They don't want this smoke, so I'm chilling in it. This me, I grab that, fill it up and fill him with it.
This is where I grab that, fill it up and fill him. Want some water? Water! Abra, you got the water out, my G. You got the water out.
She don't want no good dude, she wants a bad man. I want a bad girl too. When she heard I sing bad man tune, now she saying wait till I get my hands on you.
Listen, she don't want a little nerd. She don't want a clown. She don't want she want a bad man. Cause she a bad girl. Cause she heard me sing bad man song. And she said, wait till me get my hand on you. Hey, man, a bad man in a real life. No cap. That man I say. So she a bad girl forget a bad man. You see me? A girl, a man who can say, hey girl, where you go? Hey girl, I want you. You're not gonna road tonight, you know. Me and you are chill tonight. You have to listen to that. A bad girl she want a man who can dominate her. Yeah. You know, show like a meow, show like a kitty cat. No, she don't want that. You see me? Yeah. Like Will Smith and Carlton. Carlton are the waste man. Will Smith are the gallus. But he might eat that sometime too. Let's go.
Pass me the cognac when we step in the party, can't see me in Versace shades. Looking all naughty, VIP shorty.
Yo, the whole OFB, any video OFB I drop, the whole of them then in the video, dog. That me like with the man them. Me love that, brother. Me love
see
that.
Me in my Cartier. I'm on a down flex. Pass me the cognac when we step in the party, can't see me in Versace shades.
Is this girl a part of the OFB gang? Is this girl a part of the OFB gang? Can somebody leave it in the comment section for me, please? Thank you.
Looking all naughty, VIP shorty. Once we step in the party, won't see me in my Cartier.
Artists that's out there, I'm asking you, please. Me can be in one of the video them. Can I be in one of you guys video them? I want to be in a video. I want to be in a video. I'm just asking. You don't have to shame me. Just kind of decline. Unfortunately, JAMAICA'S game at this present moment, you are not fit enough to be in the video. Yeah, I will accept that. But I'm just asking. If you don't ask, you don't get. All right. Yo, she bad enough. She bad. And I first me hear her. Miss LaFamilia. Big up yourself, darling. Big up yourself. Please remember to explain what is a dumb flex to me. Explain in your words what a dumb flex is. I kind of get fair dumb flex ways, but tell me what is your dumb flex ways, lady.
Dumb flex, I'm on a dumb flex, no.
Yeah, the video clean. The dogs them out. Miss LaFamilia clean. She's up on her dumb flex. Big up DTG. Yo, our next bad video. Big up Miss LaFamilia, big up Abra as always, big up the whole OFB as always. But more and more, this question that I'm asking is, what is a dumb flex? Explain a dumb flex to me in a party terms, and is she part of the OFB gang? Is she part of the OFB gang? And explain dumb flex to me in a Don't call me stupid not to know what a dumb flex is, but just want or don't tell me what a dumb flex is. And the young artists, keep reaching out, keep there's an email upon the channel. Go up on the about part. There's an email address there. Link me upon the email. I respond to all emails. Or link me upon Instagram. My socials are there. Link me upon Instagram. The link is there. Also, if you could follow me upon Twitch. Also, I'm growing my Twitch gaming channel. So if you can follow me, you don't have to be a gamer. Once you have Twitch, just go over there, goes boom, hit a follow, and that's it. A link will be in the description below of this video also, guys. So big up on yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright.